Today we will learn the long O sound. Remember that the short O sound is ah, ah, ah. Long O is O, O, O. Let's do both sounds, the short sound and then the long sound. Ah, O, ah, O, ah, O. These words have an O in the middle, so we will use the short sound. These words have an O followed by any consonant followed by an E. The E will make the O have its long sound of O. This E is called the silent E or the magic E. It doesn't make a sound itself. All it does is make the O two letters before it have its long sound. It doesn't matter which consonant goes here. So we have k, on, con, k, own, cone, k, op, cop, k, ope, cope, k, odd, cod, k, ode, code, d, all, doll, d, ol, dole, op, hop, ope, hope, j, ock, jock, j, oak, joke, ob, lob, obe, lobe, odd, nod, ode, node, ought, not, oat, note, op, pop, ope, pope, ob, rob, obe, robe, own, bone, or, bore, oak, coke, ove, cove, or, core, ohm, dome, os, dose, or, gore, ol, hole, ohm, home, own, loan, ol, mole, or, more, ope, nope, ol, roll, or, sore, or, tore, or, war. We can read long words easily once they are divided into syllables. I've divided these words into syllables. The vowels at the beginning and the middle of the syllable will get their short sound. Un, ill, until, until. Ob, hob, it, bit, hobbit. Id, hid, den, hidden. Sud, sud, den, sudden. Remember that EE has the long E sound of E. Off, cough, E, coffee. Muff, fin, muffin. Sometimes S has the sound of Z. Here are some of the words where it does that. Is, has, as, his. This A is going to sound like a short U. Was. These words have two pronunciations. The most common pronunciation of this is A is used for emphasis. TH has two sounds. We will talk about them in a later lesson. The sound that this word uses is th. So we have the, which is the most common pronunciation, and the, which is used for emphasis. This is the word I. Let's practice with some sentences. Dad was as bored, bored as mom at home. Dad was as bored as mom at home. The dog had a bone until the rabbit hid it. The dog had a bone until the rabbit hid it. The kit and kitten wore a green rope on his leg. The kitten wore a green rope on his leg. Do you find reading these sentences helpful? Please post in the comments whether I should keep including sentences in my videos. Dad left us a note. Dad hopes the store has or more nuggets. Dad left us a note. Dad hopes the store has more nuggets.